My name is Tonya Ridley and I'm a physical therapist here at Tulsa Bone Joint. And Glenn and I are here. We're going to show you some exercises to do after your total shoulder replacement. So Glenn, first what I want you to do is you're going to put your arm up here, and this is your non-surgery arm. And you're going to let your surgery arm hang down. So relax your arm as much as you can. And I want you to stagger your feet one in front of the other. So what we're doing is you're going to move your arm in a circle, but your body is doing the movement and not your shoulder. Now we're going to change directions and you're going to go the opposite way. So keep moving your body instead of your arm. So now what you're going to do is move your arms side to side using your body. So let it relax. And then you're going to go front to back. So this way. So Glenn, you can go ahead and stand up, and that's how you do your pendulum exercises.